Learning hubs provide academic support and guidance, transition support and career guidance for all students. All of our services can be accessed online. We run drop-in sessions covering topics like academic writing, professional skills, research and referencing skills and more. No bookings required. Find the right session for you on Learning Hub Online or the Learning Hub VU Collaborate space. The Learning Hub is also where you can access study essentials, workshops that help build your skills and understanding in academic writing, numeracy, grade presentations, academic inquiry, and more. These sessions are run by our friendly and experienced learning advisors and will help you through your units and throughout your course. Student mentors like me also work in the Learning Hubs. We have been trained to provide support to other VU students like yourself through your transition to university and throughout your studies. We run regular discipline-based study spaces and bilingual study sessions. You can find our schedule on Learning Hub Online and through the Learning Hub VU Collaborate space. Through Learning Hub Online, you can also access 24/7 online tutoring. Get the help you need when you need it.